Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SIM is seated correctly and the device is registered on the network. This prevents false zero balances. Open the Smart SIM app or dial the operator UST code now and enter your account PIN when prompted. You do this because the system authenticates your account before showing balance details. Once authenticated, make sure to note the displayed phone number and plan ID. These identifiers are needed for the next verification step and for any support requests that follow. Now you look at the detailed balance screen and focus on remaining MB or GB and the expiry date. That tells you usable data and validity. Next, compare the plan ID and recent recharge history to confirm the displayed amount matches recent transactions. Discrepancies hint at delayed processing or account mismatch. While you are here, capture a timestamp screenshot or copy the balance text into notes. This creates evidence for disputes and helps you track consumption over successive checks. To finish, refresh the app or UST, relogin, or briefly remove and reinsert the SIM. These simple steps often resolve display errors. If the balance still looks incorrect, contact your operator and provide the screenshot, plan ID, and latest recharge receipt so they can trace the issue. Finally, test actual data connectivity by loading a page or running a quick speed check to ensure service matches the reported balance. If data fails, escalate with the operator and keep your records handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.